Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the latest leaks and rumors about DJI's upcoming powerhouse, the Osmo Action 5 Pro. This new action camera has just popped up in the American FCC registry, signaling its imminent release. So, what can we expect? Let's break it down. According to Photorumors, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro has been spotted in the FCC registry. This means two big things. First, the release is right around the corner, and second, it's confirmed to have Wi-Fi capabilities. But what's even more intriguing is the Pro tag in the name. Could DJI be planning two versions, Pro and Semi-Pro? Time will tell. From what we know so far, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is codenamed AC004 with a maximum current consumption of 3 amperes. While that might sound technical, it likely refers to the maximum draw when all features are enabled. And here's the exciting part, rumors suggest it could feature a 1-inch sensor, similar to what we've seen in the Osmo Pocket 3. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. At Quadrant_News News, a well-known leaker claims that DJI is about to drop two big products, the DJI Neo drone and the Osmo Action 5 Pro, before September. The Neo is launched on 20th August, followed by the Osmo Action 5 Pro on 28th August. Get ready to place your pre-orders. So, what's new with the Osmo Action 5 Pro compared to its predecessor? Spec-wise, it features a 1x 1.3-inch CMOS sensor with an f.8 aperture for improved low-light performance. While it may seem like a minor upgrade, the real magic lies in DJI's software enhancements. Expect industry-leading stabilization with Rocksteady 4.0+, delivering ultra-stable footage even in the most extreme conditions. And if you love wide-angle shots, the Action 5 Pro's 155 degrees field of view is perfect for capturing more in every frame. Whether you're shooting 4K at 120 frames per second or just snapping photos, the improved image and video quality will impress. But that's not all. One of the major upgrades is the battery life. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is rumored to feature a 1950 mAh battery with fast charging up to 27 watts. This means more time to capture your adventures and less time waiting to recharge. With a price tag expected to be around $200, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is shaping up to be an incredible value for all action camera enthusiasts. So, are you ready to upgrade your gear? Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.